Hi friends, welcome to Aditi Food Channel. I am Sujatha Shivashankar. Today I am going to show you how to make Anjal fish tawa fry. To prepare Anjal fish or kingfish tawa or shallow fry, I have taken 1 kg of kingfish or Anjal fish. I have washed, cleaned and sliced like this. I have taken 1 garlic, approximately 20 to 25 cloves, transferred to the blender jar. Add 1 inch ginger chopped, 3 green chilies, 6 Kashmiri red chilies washed. Add around 10 BYADIGE red chilies. Add half teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin or jeera, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add salt as needed. Add 1 tablespoon of kachuli. It's available in South Canara. If you don't have this, you can use 1 lemon juice or you can use tamarind water also. Add about 100 ml of water. Blend it smooth. Fish masala is blended smooth and is ready. You can taste it and add lemon juice and salt as needed. The next step is to marinate the fish with masala. Take a teaspoon of masala, coat the fish like this. Turn the fish and marinate both the sides. Marinate all the fish slices with masala like this and set aside in refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot on medium flame. Now transfer the marinated fish slices one by one. Add little oil over the fish. Close the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, flip over, close the lid and cook the other side for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's evenly cooked both the sides. Transfer to the serving plate. Anjal fish or kingfish tawa fry is ready to eat. It's a best party recipe. Try at your home. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Aditi Food Channel. Thank you for watching.